Okay. So basics of digital image processing, there we have to know about so few things like okay the gray level and also the sampling and quantization. At first, so here when we come to the gray level, when we see the gray level, in a one sentence I can say that is the scale, okay, to find out the intensity of the image. Scale which is running from black to white. So how it is being formed is, if you take a scale like this, okay, and here, so we will be writing all the things up to 7, 0 to 7. Okay, so 0 represents pure black, pure black, pure black, and 7 represents there to be as pure white, pure white. So here how can we change from black to white is, if this is assumed to be as fully black, we are contaminating that with a small drop of white which comes to this level. If you contaminate that with a few more some droplets of white, it comes to this level. If you still contaminate this and more contamination, all the things are turning to be white, black to white scale. Now if you consider any image which is available in the nature falls into any one of this level, or we can say this scale or the category, we can say. Now next thing here, this explanation is only about the black and white scale. Here whatever is the color, it should fall into this category. Next thing is sampling and quantization. Sampling and the quantization. Sampling is here, okay, so digitizing the coordinate values. Digitizing the coordinate values. Digitizing the coordinate values. And quantization, digitizing the amplitude values. Digitizing the amplitude values. Okay. Here, how do we get the coordinate values? If you take the image and keep it on a, okay, xy coordinates. If you take an image and keep it on a xy coordinates, this might be some image like this, okay, and this is x and this is y. Here this x level we are taking as the gray level and y level we are taking as the intensities, and here if you draw the lines horizontally and vertically, and here you can notice this image is falling into the boxes here. So this box, it is being occupied more than 50%. This box also more than 50%. This box, this box, this box. Whereas this box is occupying less than 50%. Less than 50%. So we can consider that to be as the white. And this also less than 50%. And here 50%. And here also less than 50%. Here accurately we can see that it is falling less than 50%. So what can we do? These things and all, we can just erase it, and rest of the things make it as fully black. This circle is fully black. So this circle is fully black and this circle is fully black. Okay. So why I am making fully black? Because that particular area is being occupied more than half in the cell. Okay. And then like that we are thickening the entire thing. Next, coming to the quantization. So coming to this quantization, what can we observe is digitizing the amplitude values. normally amplitude we say, okay, which comes under signals, okay, amplitude of the signal. Here, amplitude of the image, that comes as the intensity of the image. Intensity of the image. Intensity in the sense, here I said the scale as 0 to 7. If you consider that as 2 power, this comes to be as 0 to 255. Okay, so now I can say that as 255 is the much brighter level, or with 100% amplitude, and 0 as the low amplitude. Hence we can digitize that by considering the intensity values. Now extending our discussion of this digital image processing into different fields, we can learn about few things called image enhancement, and then image restoration, okay, and also color image processing, and then here another thing is image compression. So this is like the research we are doing in each field of image processing. Number one, image enhancement. How can we enhance the image? We can enhance the image with the help of, okay, sharpening and smoothing. This thing can be accomplished with the help of filter. Filter, in the sense, here it is called to be as the mask. Mask means it is called, so 3 by 3 matrix. What is this 3 by 3 matrix? You might be feeling surprising, but 3 by 3 matrix will be having the intensity values. For example, here this is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is having, so 24, 16, 45, 19, 6, 4 and 32, 64, 9. Some intensities, all of them are falling below 100 or below 50. We can say the category to be as black things are more. Now, how to apply the filter on the image? We can apply the filter on the image, okay, if you consider some image as a tree, okay. Now what is happening there? Here, tree means obviously the sky is blue color, sky blue. Intensities can be somewhat, we can write the intensities as, okay, blue means, okay, so 200 and 239, okay, so like that, and 240 and 219 and 218 and 217, 216 and so on. Coming to the tree and its branches, we can say that to be as, okay, the brown color, the trunk, the green color, the branches, all these things. Now we can assign the intensity values. We can assign the intensity values for all of them as to be here. So we can assign the intensity values, something here around 61, 69, 70 and also 68, 71, 72, because they are coming under thick green. Now we are applying the filter onto that image. Now what do I do that? Here I take the filter. You can know, all of you know the duster, right? Similar to the duster, what I do, I start from here. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. I start from here, keep rolling in the x direction. Now what happens here is very interesting. Here we can see that as when I first keep the mask here, the mask values are these values and the image values are these values, and they are made into the product. So they are made into the product. If the product is exceeding 255, it is taking 255. Okay. So like that, here first, so here the mask is kept like that, and here it is kept here. It is rolled like that. Okay. And here the mask is rolled everywhere. By doing so, what is happening there? We are smoothing the image. We are smoothing the image. Here, this technique can also be achieved with the other technique called, okay, filters. That is a filter, and the technique is, okay, the gradient and also Laplacian. Okay, so here it is being considered to be as taking the intensity values as it is and applying with the help of the filter. And coming to the next technique as image restoration. Image restoration, here also we consider the image which is being disturbed. Okay, we just restore the image, means bringing back the image to its original position. Bringing back the image to its original position. How can we do that? Most probably, okay, here when the image is being corrupted with noise factor. When the image is being corrected with the noise. What are the different types of noise? Rayleigh noise and Gaussian noise, salt and pepper noise, okay, impulse noise, exponential noise. All these things do affect the image quality. Now, in order to restore the image back to its original state, the thing which we have to do is apply the filter. Apply the filter on the image. We can apply the filter on the image. Here we are not taking the mask. We are not making use of the mask for restoration. But here we are taking the equation only. Some of the filters are Wiener filter, okay, and many of such, okay, Wiener filter and also min-max filter, all these things, median filter, okay, mean filter, all these things. They are very interesting. Okay, salt and pepper noise here means black and white noise. One image is being contaminated with black content as well as white content. Two things are there. Next, coming to the color image processing. Color image processing, here, why do we need it? Because these are the days where we are studying most of the things with color image only. We are capturing the pictures also which are of color only, no more black and white. Here, three important colors plays a major role. They are red, green, blue. RGB, all of them mixed together produces black. Inverse of that, cyan, magenta, yellow. Cyan, magenta, yellow, they produce, when they are mixed, white color. Okay. It is about color image processing. Okay, we study much of the things in that color image processing. How can we obtain the colors and how they are being summed up. Okay, they are being considered as a circle in a circle, three colors are mixed up. In that fashion, we are just studying about in detail about color image processing. Then coming to the image compression. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.